Hey guys, my name is Garrett. I work at store 2686 in Bentonville, Arkansas. I have a lot of fun things planned for us today, so let's get to it, guys. Hey, by the way, we have a lot more grocery hacks, tips, and tricks, so make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So the customer I'm shopping for right now just ordered some French bread, and we're over here in the bakery, so we're gonna make sure we scan that for their order. We're making sure that it's not too soft, but not too hard at the same time. I would never pick bread for a customer that's more than 5 days out for an expiration date because nobody wants expired bread. Making sure that the bag is tied nice so that it doesn't get stale. If your bread lasted for a couple days longer than you planned and it's gone a little stale, you can still use it in recipes. You can use it in stuffing and make croutons out of it, turn it into breadcrumbs, and so much more. If you take a look at this apple right here, look how beautiful and perfect this apple looks. We want to make sure, there's no bruises. When they're nice and shiny, they really attract the eye. I would never ever select something for a customer that I would not buy myself. Also guys, apples actually produce ethylene gas, which causes other fruits and vegetables to go bad. So make sure they're stored away and refrigerated away from other fruits and vegetables. What's that old saying again? An apple a day, I almost have it. So we're over here by the eggs, and here's something you can do at home, which we like to call the float test. Fill a glass of water and put the egg in, and if it falls all the way to the bottom horizontally, then you'll know it's the freshest. But if it floats all the way up to the top, do not use it. First thing I look at when I pick eggs is just making sure that we have the nicest, freshest eggs available for our customers, that everything's nice and neat, there's no cracks. So these look really, really nice, and I think this is an excellent choice. You have to remember to never judge an egg by its color. The shell of the egg is determined by the breed of the hen, but that doesn't actually determine how fresh the egg actually is. Just gonna close that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and scan this, and the customer is gonna get some really good looking eggs. We have a lot more grocery tips, tricks, and hacks to show y'all. So if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that'd be awesome. And also guys, don't forget, if you have Walmart Plus, you can get free unlimited delivery for all these wonderful, delicious groceries.